saving you have. And paper in the sense, total we produce about, in India, about 11.3 million tons of paper. And out of which only about, not even 20%, about 3 million tons goes back for recycling. You know which one it goes? Newspaper and textbooks, books you give. Otherwise, every paper finds its way in the garbage. Even now, we have started a new project in Bangalore City, collecting bus tickets and bus passes. Even bus passes and bus tickets can be recycled. Your railway tickets or your boarding passes when you fly, all that can be recycled. So all this you should save. Keep that when you travel in a bus, put that ticket is not a big thing, put it in the pocket. You have a dry waste bin in your house, come back and put it in. That habit you start. Only thing is you must change your mindset. Our mindset is anything you don't want, throw it out. Let the BBMP or commissioner, GHMC commissioner or somebody clean it. This is the attitude we have. We must change this attitude. If somebody is not doing, try to politely explain why you should do and all that. See, now only about 100 people must have heard little bit awareness about this. Now he passed on that message. That message should go to each and every person. That way you will develop contact also with the people and say this man is doing something good, so it may this thing there. That is what each one should realize. Next please. Use and throw. Yeah. Go ahead. This is all recycled bag made out of Tetra Pak. Yeah. This is made out of vegetable products. This styrofoam is a deadly material. As far as possible in your parties, try to avoid this because it can't be recycled also, and it costs about 5-6 rupees per plate, I think, if I am not mistaken. I don't know how much here. Instead of that, use steel plate or porcelain plates, which can be reused. So automatically you save that much material going into the landfill. This is tissue paper. This we have imported from West. And this tissue paper is prepared out of imported wood. And now most of the IT companies in Bangalore, wherever I have given awareness program and all that, from ITPL, I am collecting almost 1.5 tons of tissue paper every month. And ITC is recycling it. And Mindtree started about 6 months ago. We are collecting about 1 ton every month. All this clean. See, just in the toilet you go and just throw it out. And all that goes into the this thing where waste dumps. Instead of that, you collect everything, then in a month you can dispose of all that. For that also ITC pays about 2 rupees per kilo. Instead of throwing it out, you save all that material. This is just reverse it is. Don't drink, instead of Coca-Cola, you drink tender coconut. Just I have put this slide. Yeah. No to disposable coffee cups or any disposable. Now this is, you see, it has come out of the earth. These vegetables, fruits, everything, you convert it into compost, put it back into the earth. So you give nutrition back, everything you give back. Don't take away everything and start putting chemical fertilizers and pesticides and all that. You save all that there also. And you resurrect the earth. You save the resources of the earth. Yeah. This is waste segregation. This is the paper, all this segregation, 3 categories. Now we are requesting at least do it 2 categories. Don't do 3, only wet and dry. And the dry will be segregated by rack pickers in the secondary aggregate segregation center. That way we provide jobs to them. And according to value, they will separate it. Paper separate, plastic, metal, everything. Yeah. Different categories of waste have to be dealt with differently. And that is possible only when waste is segregated. Don't think we give together, why it cannot be. Once it becomes wet and dirty, it cannot be recycled. So it is very necessary, you have to segregate at source. Yeah. Mixed waste makes it difficult to retrieve all recyclables since the wet waste soil spoils the dry waste. Now the latest one US scientist, of course he is India born, and he has come all over India. He has surveyed all the dumps and landfills, and also where compost is prepared out of landfills. So there he has analyzed and told what are the harmful elements in that, and he has advised no mixed waste compost, organic compost should be used for agricultural products. You can use it only for golf lawns or for lawns in front of your house. That means there is no use of converting into compost. Instead of that, if you segregate that mixed, that waste and dry separate, all the harmful elements will be removed and the compost which you produce will be the highest quality. So this is another advantage of your segregating at source. Yeah, this. Most of us say we have no time because our children, we have to send them to school, husband has to go for work, then 8:30 I also have to leave the house, so I have no time. But this is not an argument at all, because in your house, because you have no time, you don't cook rice, sambar, sabji, and if there is a feast, paisa also, put everything together, bite, and today you tell your husband, I have no time, eat everything together. So nobody does this. And even when you bring the provisions from the house, shop, you keep all separate. That's how we do. Same thing holds good for the clothes. Clothes, when you put for the washing machine for washing, you separate colored clothes and white clothes. Even when white is done, you take children's clothes, ladies' clothes, and gents' clothes. Separate, you keep it before keeping in the wardrobe. For that all you have got time. And if you don't do it, you know what is going to happen next day morning. Your child will go and pull up your husband's dress, or your husband will put some other dress. So that you will do. Whereas garbage is concerned, segregation we have no time. Let the corporation commissioner do it. This is the usual argument we have. Now this argument you must all stop and see that you start. It doesn't take more time because you produce only about 1 kilo per day. Out of that, 30% will be dry waste. Take it out, keep it clean and give it to the corporation. They will do the rest. Processing, recycling, everything they will look out. To mix everything and give nothing. Like a simple example of cooking, what I told you. Rice, whatever proportion you want, they will mix and eat. To mix everything and give it, they don't know what to eat and what to rice, how to take out of the sambar and sabji. And retains moisture also, organic waste. Yeah. This is the one I was telling you. Individual houses, if any of you are interested in doing compost, just a simple 3 pots it is. It costs about 1,000 rupees, a one-time investment. And that is produced in Bangalore now. I think Hyderabad also it must be there. I will give the reference number. You can send it online. After that, if it is there, you can find out. Then you can always, each one can start composting wherever their individual houses are there. Now this is an apartment, about 80 houses. They are doing composting in their house. There is a zero waste zone again. Dry waste is all recycled. Wet waste is all, they use it for their own garden. Earlier they were spending almost 70,000 rupees for manure only. Now they don't use a single pile. All this is being used in their own garden. Yeah, that's all. Yes, sir. Now I am open for questions. Any doubt or anything you ask. As I told you, all of us should determine and say, yes, we can do it, and then start doing it. And propagate this idea to your neighbor. And if your children are studying in the schools, when you go to next parent-teachers meeting, say that these are the subjects you have to be told. And introduce that system in the schools also. Children are the best ambassadors. Once you start and it goes into their head, they will even correcting the parents also. That way we will also get corrected. Because all of us are mostly spoiled here. So any questions, sir? Sir, I am open. I am ready now. You can come, sir. Can come. Yeah. Any questions you have, you can ask. They will be answering.